Good morning, good evening, vanakkam, namaskaram to everyone who has joined us today. I'm Subbu, your host for this episode of Shamegana. Thanks to Dr. Tushar B. Patel, Shamegana has reached numerous milestone episodes, and today we proudly present season 3, episode number 256. Can you believe it's already the beginning of March? With Women's Day just around the corner, let's celebrate the amazing women in our lives. A shout out to all the wonderful ladies tuning in today. This show is dedicated to you. Before we dive into the show, I want to express my gratitude to Tusharji for giving me this opportunity to host. Today's episode is extra special as the singers are members of the New Jersey Artists Lions Club, of which I am the president. Yes, that's right, folks. I'm not just the host, I'm also the club president. I can assure you, our club singers are one of the best with great talent. As always, we have a fantastic lineup of songs to cherish your memories and soothe your ears. Without further ado, let's get to the show. We have five talented singers with us today, and we'll have two rounds, with each singer performing one song in the first round and back to back two songs in the second round. Our singers for today are Lion Gauri ji, Lion Krishna ji, Lion Praisi ji, Lion Pradeep ji, and Lion Priya ji. Let's kick off with our first singer, Gauri ji. So, before we get on to the singing, I would like to give a brief introduction about the songs which they'll be singing. So, our singer Gauri ji, she's going to start with the first song, O Sajna Barka Bahar. This song was sung by Lata ji. The movie was Parak, and lyrics by Shailendra ji and music by Salil Chaudhary. Interestingly, the story was also by Salil Chaudhary ji. Movie came in the year 1960, directed by Bimal Roy. This movie got 3 Filmfare Awards. Amazing, right? So let me hand it over to Gauri ji for her first song.
Namaskar. I'm Gauri Sinha, a proud member of New Jersey Artists Lions Club. With a member of this club, I use our skills to help both local and international community. Today we are singing for a fundraiser, and the fund will go towards childhood cancer care. For today's event, I'm going to sing the first song, Usaz Nabar Khabar, was already super say. Okay, hope you like it. Thank you. Ooh, Sajna. ऐसे रिमझिम में ओ सजन प्यासे प्यासे मेरे नयन तेरे ख्वाबों में खो गए ऐसे रिमझिम में ओ सजन प्यासे प्यासे मेरे नयन तेरे ख्वाबों में खो गए सावरी सलोनी घटा जब जब छाई सावरी सलोनी घटा जब जब छाई अखियों में रहना गई नींदियाँ न आई ओ सजना बरखा बहार रसती फुहार आई अखियों में प्यार आई ना जियो ना रोजानी ये खोलो बाकी आलों की छुरी में बाकी बोले रात जागा बाकी ना जियो ना
That was wonderful, Gauri ji. So that was a good start for the whole evening, right? And as I already promised, my club singers are really talented singers, so you'll be having a good time listening to them. So thanks, Gauri ji. So moving over to the next singer, Krishna ji. So her first song is going to be Ehsan Tera Hoga Mujh Par. So this song from the movie Jungly has two versions. One is a duet by Rafi Saab and Lata ji, and the other one is a solo sung by Lata ji. And our singer is going to do the solo version. The movie is Jungly, the lyrics by Hasrat Jaipuri and music by Shankar Jaikishan. This movie came in the year 1961 and it was Saira Banu's debut movie. This movie has many good songs and famous Shami Kapoor numbers too. So let's hear from Krishna ji.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, before I start my first song for this evening, I would like to thank Tushar Bhai and the entire team of Shame Gana and for giving us such a wonderful platform. And they're doing a commendable job of bringing people together through music. I would also like to thank our Lions Club, New Jersey Artists Lions Club, which gives artists like us an opportunity and a platform to perform and help the community for the noble cause that they work towards. And last but not least, Subbu, thank you so much for being such a fantastic host. So I'm going to start with my first song, Ehsan Tera Hoga Mujh Par. Yeah. एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर दिल चाहता है वो कहने दो मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है मुझे पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर दिल चाहता है वो कहने दो मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है मुझे पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर चाहे बना दो चाहे मिटा दो, ओ चाहे बना दो चाहे मिटा दो, मर भी गए तो देंगे दुआएं, मर भी गए तो देंगे दुआएं। उड़ उड़ के कहेगी खाक सनम ये दर्द मोहब्बत, सहने दो मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत, हो गई है मुझे पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो, एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर, दिल चाहता है वो कहने दो मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत, हो गई है मुझे पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो, एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर। थैंक यू।
Wow, that was so amazing, Krishna ji.
थैंक यू सो मच।
That was amazing. So, moving over, we'll have our next singer, Tracy ji. So, she's going to sing a beautiful number from the television series Hira Mandi. So, the song is Ek Baar Dekh Lijiye. So, it was sung by Kalpana Gandharva from the 2024 television series Hira Mandi. Lyrics by A.M. Turas and music by Sanjay Leela Bansali. This is a musical melody and over to Pricey for her first song. You're not able to hear you, Pricey? Okay, so while we check on the technical difficulty issue, let us move on to the next singer so that we don't lose time. So I would like to call upon Pradeep ji for his first song. So he's going to sing Tere Mere Sapne, sung by Rafi Saab in the movie Guide. The movie was from the year 1965, and this probably was one of the very few movies that was actually remade in Hollywood too. Yes, this was remade in English as The Guide. The song lyrics is by Shailendra and music is by S.D. Burman. This movie also has many other famous songs and it bagged about 7 Filmfare Awards during that time. So over to Pradeep ji for his first song.
Thank you, Subbu. Namaskar, everyone. Before I begin, I just want to thank Dr. Tushar Patel for hosting this event nicely for so long. You guys, you are really an inspiration to all of us aspiring singers, and you're doing such a wonderful job. Really appreciate that. Thanks to the Lions Club for doing such a great job, and especially for this cause that we are doing this evening for. So thank you, Lions Club, for having me. Honored to be part of this Lions Club effort. And Subbu, thank you very much for hosting this event. You're doing a wonderful job. I'm really enjoying myself. So this song, I chose this song specially because it somehow it connects with me. You know, the picturization of this song is so beautiful, the sunset setting. And Devanand is actually telling Wahida Rahman, he's consoling her, she is not feeling good and he's making her feel good. And what I loved more than anything else in the song is the sincerity in Devanand's eyes when he's singing this song. If you haven't seen the video, you should see this again and just notice the expression in Devanand's. He just speaks through his eyes. So I love this song for that very reason. But of course, it's a beautiful song. So here's my effort. तेरे मेरे सपने अब एक रंग है, ओ जहाँ भी ले जाए राहें हम संग हैं। ओ तेरे मेरे सपने अब एक रंग है, ओ जहाँ भी ले जाए राहें हम संग हैं। मेरे तेरे दिल का तय था एक दिन मिलना, जैसे बाहर आने पर तय है फूल का खिलना। मेरे तेरे दिल का तय था एक दिन मिलना, जैसे बाहर आने पर तय है फूल का खिलना। ओ मेरे जीवन साथी तेरे मेरे सपने अब एक रंग है, ओ जहाँ भी ले जाए राहें हम संग हैं। तेरे दुख अब मेरे, मेरे सुख अब तेरे, तेरे ये दो नैना चांद और सूरज मेरे। तेरे दुख अब मेरे, मेरे सुख अब तेरे, तेरे ये दो नैना चांद और सूरज मेरे। ओ मेरे जीवन साथी तेरे मेरे सपने अब एक रंग है, ओ जहाँ भी ले जाए राहें हम संग हैं। लाख मना ले दुनिया साथ न ये छूटेगा, आके मेरे हाथों में हाथ न ये छूटेगा। लाख मना ले दुनिया साथ न ये छूटेगा, आके मेरे हाथों में हाथ न ये छूटेगा। ओ मेरे जीवन साथी तेरे मेरे सपने अब एक रंग है, ओ जहाँ भी ले जाए राहें हम संग हैं। ओ तेरे मेरे सपने अब एक रंग है, जहाँ भी ले जाए राहें हम संग हैं। Thank you.
Wow, awesome, Pradeep ji. It was amazing. It was really amazing. So let's move on to Praisi ji. Hope she's back
Hello, Subbu.
after
Can you hear
resolving
me?
the technical issues.
Can you
You
hear
want
me?
to say hello, Praisi ji?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, we are able to hear you.
Okay.
So she'll be singing the Ek Baar Dekh Lijiye. That's a song by Kalpana Gandharva from the television series Hira Mandi. Over to you, Praisi ji.
Thank you, Subbu. Sorry for the inconvenience. I want to thank
That's
Tushar
okay.
ji for giving us this opportunity to sing. I've been a part of this New Jersey Lions Club from the initial stages, and we raise funds through different kinds of art. We promote different kinds of art, dancing, painting, and singing, and we collect funds for pediatric cancer. That's a noble cause. Yeah, that's all about me, and I'll just jump into the singing. एक बार देख लीजिए, एक बार देख लीजिए, दीवाना बना दीजिए, एक बार देख लीजिए, जलने को है तैयार हम, परवाना बना दीजिए, एक बार देख लीजिए। कुछ पी के जाना सके, उठकर कहीं भी हम, इतनी पी के जाना सके, उठकर कहीं भी हम, आँखों को अपने आप एक में खाना बना दीजिए, एक बार देख लीजिए। कुछ भी दिखाई ना दे हमें सिवा आपके कहीं पे, कुछ भी दिखाई ना दे हमें सिवा आपके कहीं पे, सारे जहां से आप हमको बेगाना बना दीजिए, एक बार देख लीजिए, दीवाना बना दीजिए, एक बार देख लीजिए, जलने को है तैयार हम, परवाना बना दीजिए, एक बार देख लीजिए।
Thank you, Tracy ji. Actually, the track was not heard, it was only your voice. So we were able to realize that how good your voice is actually without the track. It was
Absolutely.
so real
Yes,
actually.
yes, yes.
Yeah, because singing with track background is so easy, you know. I mean, just follow the track and sing it. But without that, you sang. That was amazing. We could really see the good voice actually. Thanks, Tracy ji.
Can you
Next,
check your original
yeah.
sound for musicians is on in your setup?
Yeah, it is on.
It is on, so it should
Yeah.
work. Let's move.
And what about the
Subbu.
top right? On the top right, does it say on or off?
Top right, it says on,
It says
but
on.
it
So
is
it is.
showing me Facebook.
No.
That's fine. Yeah.
After that, there is another original sound for musicians. It says on.
It is.
Let's go with the next singer and see if that track plays.
Okay.
Okay. So we will move ahead with singer Priya ji. So she has a wonderful song actually, Chocolate Lime Juice. That's a lovely song by Lata ji from the movie Hum Aapke Hai Kaun. Lyrics by Dev Kohli and music by Ram Lakshman. The movie released in the year 1994. It has many super duper hit songs. I think close to 14 songs with all famous singers in it, including Sri S.P. Balasubramaniam. The film won 5 Filmfare Awards and as many as 13 overall awards. Quite a super duper film indeed. Let's listen to Priya.
Hi everyone, can you hear me? Thank you Tushar ji for giving this opportunity. I'm really glad to be part of NJ Artists Lions Club, where we do a lot of fundraising activities through our artists. Thank you everyone for joining, and let me get into the song.
No, we cannot hear the audio track.
I cannot.
So Subbu, let's move forward with the uh, next singer, Gauri and Krishna and Pradeep in that sequence again, with 2 songs each.
Okay. Sure. So we are moving over to the second round where we'll be having 2 songs by each singer. So our first singer we have is Gauri ji. So the first song what she is going to sing is Chittiye Nidar, sung by Lata ji, movie Henna, lyrics and also music by Ravindra Jain ji. This movie came in the year 1991, directed by Ranbir Kapoor, and it got 2 Filmfare Awards, one of which was for Best Cinematography. So over to Gauri ji for her first song in the second round.
चिट्ठिए पंख लगा के उड़ जाए गैर दे हाथ लावी
That was simply amazing, Gauriji. So the next song by Gauriji would be Na Jia Lagena. That was sung by Lataji from the movie Anand. Lyrics by Gulzarji and music by Salil Chaudhary. So this movie came in the year 1971 and one of my favorite Amitabh and Rajesh Khanna duo movie, I would say. So this film bagged about 7 Filmfare Awards, including the one for the best movie. And one special thing about this movie is this movie was shot in just 28 days. Can you believe that? Okay, so over to Gauriji for her second song, the second round.
Thank you.
That was simply amazing.
Sorry.
I think the track doesn't want to stop. Thanks a lot. So, over to Krishna ji for her second round. So, the first song she's going to sing is Faza Bhi Hai Jawan Jawan. So, this song was sung by Salma Aga, and in the movie is Nika. Actually, the singer Salma also did the lead role in the movie with Raj Babbar and even got the Filmfare Award for the Best Female Playback Singer. The movie came in the year 1982. So let's go over to our singer Krishna ji for her first song in the second round.
फजा भी है जवां जवां, हवा भी है रवां रवां, सुना रहा है ये समा, सुनी सुनी सी दास्तां। फजा भी है जवां जवां, पुकारते हैं दूर से वो काफिले बहार के, बिखर गए हैं रंग से किसी के इंतजार के। लहर लहर के होंठ पर वफा की है कहानियाँ, सुना रहा है ये समा, सुनी सुनी सी दास्तां। फजा भी है जवां जवां, बुझी मगर बुझी नहीं, न जाने कैसी प्यास है, करार दिल से आज भी न दूर है न पास है। ये खेल धूप छाँव का, ये कुर्बतें ये दूरियां, सुना रहा है ये समा, सुनी सुनी सी दास्तां। फजा भी है जवां जवां, हर एक पल को ढूंढता, हर एक पल चला गया, हर एक पल फिराक का, हर एक पल विसाल का, हर एक पल गुजर गया, बना के दिल सुना रहा है ये समा, सुनी सुनी सी दास्तां, फजा भी है जवां जवां, हवा भी है रवां रवां, सुना रहा है ये समा, सुनी सुनी सी दास्तां, फजा भी है जवां जवां। Yeah, thank you.
That was simply amazing,
The best.
Krishna ji.
Thank you.
So, the second round, second song, what Krishna ji is going to sing is Na Jaane Kyun. It was sung by Lata ji in the movie Choti Si Baat. Lyrics by Yogesh and music by Salil Chaudhary. So, this movie came in the year 1976 and as another good song sung by Padma Shri KJ Yesudas. Any guesses? Yes, it's Jane Man Jane Man. That was a wonderful song and it's one of my favorites which I try to sing in music programs even. So over to Krishna ji for her second song.
Thank you. न जाने क्यों होता है ये जिंदगी के साथ, अचानक ये मन किसी के जाने के बाद करे फिर उसकी याद, छोटी छोटी सी बात, न जाने क्यों। जो अनजान पल ढल गए कल, आज वो रंग बदल बदल मन को मचल मचल रहे हैं छल, न जाने क्यों वो अनजान पल सजे बिना मेरे नैनों में, टूटे हाय रे सपनों के महल, न जाने क्यों होता है ये जिंदगी के साथ, अचानक ये मन किसी के जाने के बाद करे फिर उसकी याद, छोटी छोटी सी बात, न जाने क्यों। वो ही है डगर, वो ही है सफर, है नहीं साथ मेरे मगर अब मेरा हम सफर, इधर उधर ढूंढे नजर, वो ही है डगर, कहाँ गई शामें मद भरी, वो मेरे मेरे वो दिन गए किधर, न जाने क्यों होता है ये जिंदगी के साथ, अचानक ये मन किसी के जाने के बाद करे फिर उसकी याद, छोटी छोटी सी बात, न जाने क्यों। Thank you.
That was lovely, Krishna ji. It
Thank you
added
so
a lot
much.
of josh to the evening actually. That was so lovely. So next we would like to call upon singer Priya ji for her first song. Let's just give a try. If there is any technical difficulties there, we will just give a try out and see. So Priya would be singing the Chocolate Lime Juice song, as I told before. It was sung by Lata ji from the movie Hum Aapke Hain Kaun. Over to you, Priya ji.
Thank you, Subbu. Let me start.
No. Okay. So I think we'll just give a break here and we'll move over to the next singer. So over to our singer Pradeep ji. So this is going to be the second round and he's going to sing two songs back to back. And the first song what he's going to sing is Ek Ladki Ko Dekha. Yes, that's a famous song from the famous movie 1942, A Love Story. It was sung by Kumar Sanu and the lyrics by Javed Akhtar and music by R.D. Burman. So this movie release was in the year 1994 and it bagged about 9 Filmfare Awards, including Best Music Director, Best Male, Female Singers and Best Lyricist also. What a music the movie has. Every song in that movie was a super duper hit. I'm sure everybody would agree to that. So over to you, Pradeep ji, for your first song of the second round.
Thank you, Subbu. What made this movie even more memorable was that this was R.D. Burman's last movie that he composed music for before he passed away. And this was probably his first and last collaboration with Kumar Sanu also. So this is one of my favorite songs. And the lyrics are just beautiful. Javed Akhtar has done a phenomenal job with these lyrics.
को देखा तो ऐसा लगा एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा जैसे खिलता गुलाब जैसे शायर का ख्वाब जैसे उजली किरण जैसे बन में हिरन जैसे चांदनी रात जैसे नरमी की बात जैसे मंदिर में हो एक जलता दिया हो एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा जैसे सुबह का रूप जैसे सर्दी की धूप जैसे बीना की तान जैसे रंगों की जान जैसे पल खाए बेल जैसे लहरों का खेल जैसे खुशबू लिए आए ठंडी हवा लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा लगा। एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा जैसे नाचता मोर, जैसे रेशम की डोर, जैसे परियों का राग, जैसे संदल की आग, जैसे 16 सिंगार, जैसे रस की फुहार, जैसे आहिस्ता आहिस्ता बढ़ता नशा हो। एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा। एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा।
Thanks a lot, Pradeep ji. That was amazing. It was amazing to
Thank you.
hear your voice over and over again, I would say.
Thank you so much.
So, as part of the second song for the second round, Pradeep ji will be singing Sochna Sake, sung by Arijit Singh from the movie Airlift. There are actually two versions of this song in the movie. One was a duet, another is a solo. So, our singer will be doing a solo version. Lyrics by Kumar and music by Amal Malik. This movie was based on the world's biggest evacuation that happened in Kuwait in 1990 for Indians, and it was a box office hit when it got released in 2016. Over to you, Pradeep ji.
Thank you, Subbu.
तनु इतना मैं प्यार करां, एक पल विच 100 बार करां। तू जावे जे मैनू छड़ के, मौत दा इंतजार करां। कि तेरे लिए दुनिया छोड़ दी है, तुझ पे ही सांस आके रुके। मैं तुझको कितना चाहता हूँ ये तू कभी सोच ना सके। तेरे लिए दुनिया छोड़ दी है, तुझ पे ही सांस आके रुके। मैं तुझको कितना चाहता हूँ ये तू कभी सोच ना सके। कुछ भी नहीं है ये जहां, तू है तो है इसमें जिंदगी। कुछ भी नहीं है ये जहां, तू है तो है इसमें जिंदगी। अब मुझको जाना है कहाँ के तू ही सफर है आखिरी। कि तेरे बिना जीना मुमकिन नहीं, न बिना कभी मुझको तू फासले। मैं तुझको कितना चाहता हूँ ये तू कभी सोच ना सके। तेरे लिए दुनिया छोड़ दी है, तुझ पे ही सांस आके रुके। मैं तुझको कितना चाहता हूँ ये तू कभी सोच ना सके। ख्वाहिशें के चेहरे से तेरे ना हटे, नींदों में मेरी बस तेरे ख्वाबों ने ली हैं करवटें कि तेरी और मुझको लेके चले ये दुनिया भर के सब रास्ते। मैं तुझको कितना चाहता हूँ ये तू कभी सोच ना सके। तेरे लिए दुनिया छोड़ दी है, तुझ पे सांस आके रुके। मैं तुझको कितना चाहता हूँ ये तू कभी सोच ना सके।
Thank you.
That was simply awesome, Pradeep ji. It was amazing singing. Thanks a lot. So it was unfortunate that we were not able to have two of our singers today on board because of some technical problems. But then that gave us an opportunity to hear from our own Tushar ji. So he is here to surprise us with a couple of songs, couple of his favorite, and I'm sure it's going to be our favorite too. Over to you, Tushar ji.
Thank you so much, Subbu, for this wonderful evening hosting this Shame Gana episode 256. And the three singers, Gauri, Krishna, and Pradeep, wonderful singing, all of you. You made this evening very melodious this evening. So that gives me an opportunity to sing two songs. But before I do that, I just want to mention that I am also part of Alliance Club here in West Windsor. And I am also actively involved with them. So keep up the good work with Lions and helping the community.
जिंदगी प्यार का गीत है, इसे हर दिल को गाना पड़ेगा। जिंदगी प्यार का गीत है, इसे हर दिल को गाना पड़ेगा। जिंदगी गम का सागर भी है, हंस के उस पार जाना पड़ेगा। जिंदगी एक एहसास है, टूटे दिल की कोई आस है। जिंदगी एक एहसास है, टूटे दिल की कोई आस है। जिंदगी एक बनवास है, काट कर सबको जाना पड़ेगा। जिंदगी प्यार का गीत है, इसे हर दिल को गाना पड़ेगा। जिंदगी बेवफा है तो क्या, अपने रूठे हैं हमसे तो क्या। जिंदगी बेवफा है तो क्या,
अपने रूठे हैं हमसे तो क्या, हाथ में हाथ ना हो तो क्या, साथ फिर भी निभाना पड़ेगा। जिंदगी प्यार का गीत है, इसे हर दिल को गाना पड़ेगा।
Thank you so much. And my second song is going to be Tum Bhi Chalo Hum Bhi Chale.
चलती रहे जिंदगी, तुम भी चलो हम भी चले, चलती रहे जिंदगी। तुम भी चलो हम भी चले, चलती रहे जिंदगी। ना ज़मीं मंजिल ना आसमां, जिंदगी है जिंदगी। तुम भी चलो हम भी चले, चलती रहे जिंदगी। देखे ना कभी मुड़ के राहों में, ओ झूमे मेरा दिल तुम्हें लेके बाहों में। ओ धड़कनों की जुबान नित कहे दास्तां, प्यार की झिलमिल छाँव में पलती रहे जिंदगी। तुम भी चलो हम भी चले, चलती रहे जिंदगी। बहते चले हम मस्ती के धारों में, हो गूंजे यही धुन सदा दिल के तारों में। हो अब रुके ना कहीं प्यार का कारवां, नित नई रुत के रंग में ढलती रहे जिंदगी। तुम भी चलो हम भी चले, चलती रहे जिंदगी, ना ज़मीं मंजिल ना आसमां, जिंदगी है जिंदगी। तुम भी चलो हम भी चले, चलती रहे जिंदगी।
Wow.
Thank you so much.
Amazing, amazing, Tusharji. Actually, it gave us a nice opportunity to listen to you live here today. I'm a big fan of your singing. I used to listen to your YouTube songs, and then the Shame Gana program I used to regularly attend. But hearing it live, it was so nice to hear you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks, Tusharji. So, since we have some more time left out, we thought we will give a couple of one round more, probably with our singers Gauri ji, Krishna ji, and Pradeep ji. So, it's a short song what they can sing. So, let us invite Gauri ji for her song. So, she will give the intro about the song too. Over to you, Gauri ji.
Okay, I'm going to sing a duet song sung by Lataji and Kishore Kumarji from movie Andhi. I think it was 1975, and music director is R.D. Burman, and lyrics by Guljar ji. So here we go.
Over to Gauri ji for her song. Thanks a lot, Gauriji. That was simply awesome. That was simply awesome. Next, I would like to call upon Krishna ji for her song.
Hello.
Yes.
So I'll be singing the song from the movie Raat Aur Din, Dil Ki Gira Khol Do, sung by Lata ji and Manna Dey. And it's the lyrics were by Shailendra. So I'll try to sing that. दिल की गिरह खोल दो, चुप न बैठो, कोई गीत गाओ। दिल की गिरह खोल दो, चुप न बैठो, कोई गीत गाओ। महफिल में अब कौन है अजनबी, तुम मेरे पास आओ। दिल की गिरह खोल दो, चुप न बैठो, कोई गीत गाओ। मिलने दो अब दिल से दिल को, मिटने दो मजबूरियों को। शीशे में अपने डुबो दो, सब फासलों दूरियों को। आँखों में मैं मुस्कुराऊं तुम्हारी, जो तुम मुस्कुराओ। महफिल में अब कौन है अजनबी, तुम मेरे पास आओ। दिल की गिरह खोल दो, चुप न बैठो, कोई गीत गाओ। Thank you.
That was simply awesome, Krishna ji. Thanks a lot. We would like to move upon to Pradeep ji for his final song. Yeah.
So the song I have picked, it's a special song for me because it has a lot of memories associated with this. I sang this song first time for my wife on our honeymoon. And I was actually boating in the same lake where the song was picturized. And Rajesh Khanna had sung this song for Asha Parekh. I was in the same lake boating, and it was just appropriate. So I sang this song for her. And that's what I want to share with our listeners today. It's from the movie Kati Patang. जिस गली में तेरा घर न हो बालमा.
Track.
The track, we are not able to hear it, Pradeep ji.
What's that?
We are not able to hear the track.
You're not able to hear the track? It's the same setup. I haven't changed anything.
Are you sure the original sound from musicians is on the top?
Oh, hang on, hang on. Yeah. Because we came in again, that's why.
That's okay.
Sorry. I'll start again. Apologize for that. ठीक है ना?
जिस गली में तेरा घर न हो बालमा, उस गली से हमें तो गुजरना नहीं। जो डगर तेरे द्वारे पे जाती न हो, उस डगर पे हमें पाँव रखना नहीं। जिस गली में तेरा घर न हो बालमा। जिंदगी में कई रंग रलिया सही, हर तरफ मुस्कुराती ये कलियां सही। जिंदगी में कई रंग रलिया सही, हर तरफ मुस्कुराती ये कलियां सही। खूबसूरत बहारों की गलियां सही, जिस चमन में तेरे पग में कांटे चुभे। जिस चमन में तेरे पग में कांटे चुभे, उस चमन से हमें फूल चुनना नहीं। जिस गली में तेरा घर न हो बालमा। हाँ ये रस में ये कस में सभी तोड़ के तू चली या चुनर प्यार की ओढ़ के। हाँ ये रस में ये कस में सभी तोड़ के तू चली या चुनर प्यार की ओढ़ के। या चला जाऊंगा मैं ये जग छोड़ के, जिस जगह याद तेरी सताने लगे। जिस जगह याद तेरी सताने लगे, उस जगह एक पल भी ठहरना नहीं। जिस गली में तेरा घर न हो बालमा, उस गली से हमें तो गुजरना नहीं। जो डगर तेरे द्वार पे जाती न हो, उस डगर पे हमें पाँव रखना नहीं। जिस गली में तेरा घर न हो बालमा। Thank you.
Amazing, Pradeep ji. What a melodious song to end our evening here. That's so nice.
Thank you.
So nice. I could actually picturize the actual movie song itself when you were singing. It was really wonderful.
Thank you.
So with this, we come to an end of today's show. So thanks everyone who joined us in Facebook Live or in Zoom to watch the show today. So we'll see you all in yet another wonderful episode next Friday, 8 to 10. Have a nice weekend all. Over to you, Tushar ji.
Let's hear from Pradeep ji, Krishna and Gauri before we end the program.
Let's go in the same sequence. Gauri, you want to go first?
Yeah, Gauri, please go ahead.
स्पेशल थैंक्स टू तुषार जी। आपसे पहले मैं कभी मिली तो नहीं हूँ, पहली बार आपका मैंने सुना, अच्छा लगा। ये अपॉर्चुनिटी दी हमें, ये भी बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा। शामे गाना में ये मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम है, मे बी इन फ्यूचर
Yes.
I'm waiting for another opportunity. Thank you so much.
Sure.
Can everyone hear me? Okay. Oh, okay. Thank you so much, Tusharji and Subhuji. This was a great, great opportunity for me. I thoroughly enjoyed every moment of it, and I know I've been on this platform before, and I look forward to doing like many more of these. And I really am grateful for this. Thank you.
Okay, I get my turn. So first of all, thank you so much, Dr. Tushar and Subbu, for putting this event together and giving us this opportunity. It felt great to be connected with such good singers. And तुषार भाई आपसे मैं देखता रहता हूँ काफ़ी टाइम से आपको आई हैव बीन वाचिंग योर इवेंट्स फॉर सच अ लॉन्ग टाइम बट नेवर हैड अ चांस टू कोलैबोरेट आई एम रियली वेरी हैप्पी दैट फाइनली वी गॉट टू डू इट and I'm looking forward to more collaborations with you. Thank you, Subbu, for inviting me and be part of this beautiful evening. Thanks, Lions Club. I wish you all the best.
And definitely all three of you and Tracy and Priya, all five of you will come back to this platform again. Looking forward to hear you. You all are very good singers, and I'm so proud of you, part of the New Jersey Artist Lions Club. Keep up the good work. And Subbu, wonderfully hosted this evening. I am so proud that with such a short notice you did it, and you will be coming back as a host as well as a singer again.
Thank
So
you.
keep up the good work. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good night, everyone.
Good night.
Bye.
Thanks all.
Good night, everyone.